Hello there. This is another sloppy tutorial. As you can see, this is the mesh I use to create textures. The first UV map is not being used in this. The second UV map is. Heads up. If you would like to use a clone texture or stormtrooper texture, you would need to plug it into the UV node pointing to the first UV map. Anyway, plug in your armor textures to every piece of armor material. Then with the bodysuit or body glove material, plug in the bodysuit texture. I'm baking as diffuse as it retains the color information. Otherwise the color info will be changed if you bake as normals or roughness or ambient occlusion. Now that all the textures plugged in, click on the void to deselect on every material tab. Very important as not to bake on the textures you're using. Now on every material tab select the texture you're going to bake on. At the end of the video I show how to create a blank texture in Blender. Anyway, activate the same texture on all material tabs. Make sure samples are high and that the rendering eye is open on the mesh in the hierarchy, then click bake and save the image. I bake at UHD or 4K, which is 3840p horizontally.